Hello, hello, ladies. How are you today? Medyo na late po si Tindera. Kumusta po kayo? How are you all today? It's so cold right now. Grabe po. Sobra. Pero alam nyo, I know that there's a lot of states that are actually experiencing snow right now. Here in California, we don't experience those, but we are ginaw na kami, okay? So, for those who are in states who have snow, always keep warm, okay? Always keep warm po kayo lahat. Alright, sandali lang po. I'm going to share our live. And then, we'll proceed with we only have 1 hour and 30 minutes left, so we will actually make use of that one. Okay. Hello, 3. How are you? I am broadcasting right now using my personal page. So I will be sharing this to our main page, which is GFM US, but I'll be doing it in my personal page. So thank you so much to the first 4 who are here with me. Thank you so much, ladies, for being with me. And definitely we'll have a great time together. Hold on lang po ha. I think I don't need to share this because I don't want us to take the most of my time sharing. You know, I know that if they want to watch us, they're going to watch us. Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you, Papa. Thank you for helping. Hello. Hello, 3. Hello po sa inyo. Actually, I was showing earlier this part 1, all of the bags that are actually on sale right now. One of those is our Dior tote. For those who are actually looking for Dior tote, ladies, ang ganda po nito. This was selling for $189 before. But now, it's actually on sale. I was telling everyone that all of my bags are going to be given out. $30 less, okay? $30 less, so lahat po talaga, ang dami pong kumuha ng mga bags natin. We still have many. So, hindi po ibig sabihin wala na yung iba. Meron pa po, marami pa po tayo. This was selling $189. So, if anyone wants this, I have this on sale. Ang ganda po nito, okay? So, this will include this one, the dust bag for the tote. Gorgeous dust bag, okay? Tingnan niyo po ang loob, ang ganda. All right? Napakaluwag. And look at po the whole actually the whole face of the bag. Ano po ito ha? This one is actually embroidered. Pati po itong mga ito. Kaya pag hinawakan ninyo, if you touch this one, it's actually parang embossed. Embossed po lahat ang mga prints dito. Okay, so this is super gorgeous for only $159. If anyone wants this, I only have 1 pink left. Actually, I want to get this for myself. Ayan na naman ako. I want to get this for myself. This one is so pretty and so light. Ladies, kung kayo'y magtatrabaho and you need a tote, I think this is a good tote for you. Alright? This one is a good tote for only $159. If anyone wants this, mine, $159 CD pink, okay? Or I will just give you, para mabilis tayo, nasanay na kayo sa akin na I'm giving a code, okay? So for this one, I'm gonna give this a code. Mine 131 for this, okay? Mine 131 for only $159. This is a top quality CD tote. Top quality, ladies. Pag sinabi natin, hindi naman leather, pero tingnan niyo po ha, the stitches, the embroidery na ginawa nila, it really looks like the original one. Okay, so if you want this one for only $159, 131. Okay, next. I know most of you are also talking about, will she ever make a sale for all her authentic designer brands? Of course, I will. This is one of our authentic designer brands that I'm selling right now. Okay, this is Mirella's Michael Kors. This one is so pretty tote. Grabe po, yung mga iba ng when Mirella was introduced, actually it's so expensive. Okay? It was really, really expensive. But because it's actually a tote, parang ang, you know what? If you've seen the Dior tote with the strap, ganito rin po si Mirella. Okay? Mirella has this strap, this guitar strap, okay, with Michael Kors on it. Okay, so this one is actually all leather. This is pebbled leather. Hold on lang po, ha? Baka kasi yung iba po, hello for, baka yung iba hindi nakikita tayo. Okay, hold on lang po, ha? I will try to share one last time sa ating mga mga kaibigan na nandiyan. Okay, sandali lang po, ha? Okay. Okay, hold on po. Hello everyone. For those who need anything at all, please don't hesitate to message me, okay? I'll be right with you. Actually, the one that I'm wearing, I still have one set of this. Okay, this set is actually with the orange top, but I actually wear just the turtleneck, you know. Hello po, Ate Tel. Ate Telma, hello po. Maganda po ito, ladies. It's a long cardigan. And I'm only selling this one, the 3-piece set. Ang ano po nito? This is the top, okay? It's also a turtleneck with the H print. But because if I wear this, I will be all orange. Okay, but this one is also pretty with this. So I chose to not to wear it, and kasi super lamig ngayon. I wear this one. Okay, I wear this white one, the white turtleneck. Now, if you want to get the 3-piece set, I only have two sets left. This is my personal one. So this, I only have two pieces left. If anyone wants this. This is now the deal of the hour. This was selling for $65 before. I'm giving it for only $38 tonight, okay? So if anyone wants this, this is actually, this is how it looks. This is how the jogger looks like, okay? It has like this at the bottom, okay? So hindi siya flare cut type, but this one has this thing here. I really wanted something like this because I'm short. I'm 4'11", so I really need something like this. So this one is really kasha for those who are actually taller than I do. Okay, so if anyone wants this, mine H. You just say mine H 38. That means you're going to buy the 3-piece set, the top, this one, the pant, and the cardigan for only $38, okay? Mine H 38, all right? Now, if anyone wants mga scarves, let me know how we still have a lot of scarves. Ang dami po nating scarves. Okay, so for anyone who wants this Mirella Michael Kors tote, this one is matched with, it has actually this guitar strap that you can put on. You know, you can put on. This is an authentic designer brand. Ha, yung mga mura lang natin na mga designer brands like Michael Kors, Coach, Kate Spade, they are all authentic, okay? This is now selling Grabe po. This was actually selling before uh, at $205. Ang mahal po ni Mirella. But I'm going to top it with $125 tonight. This is an all-leather tote, very light. Okay, all-leather tote, very light. At ito ang ganda ng Michael Kors dito, okay? Pag hinawakan nyo, parang nakabaon yung white. Okay, so if anyone wants this, ladies, this is a pebbled leather, mine $125. Only $125. Okay, next. I will just be showing at least 4 bags tonight if I believe that no one would actually be actually getting some bags. Baka hindi nila type ngayon. This one is super cute. I wanted to put this in my banga and actually just mind it myself. Ang ganda nitong tote na to. This tote has no, what you call it, there's no strap, okay? So you could just hold it, but this is so light. Really light. This is also top quality. Okay, top quality CD tote. Gorgeous one. Grabe po. Kita nyo po. Alright, ayan po siya. Alright, makikita nyo po yung kanyang naka-embossed po lahat. Naka-embroidered po itong mga blue na yan. Alright, for this one, ay, hindi ko pala natapos ano. Hindi ko pa ano yung ating, I haven't shared our live yet. Okay, ladies, for those who want this, this was selling for $169 before. This is going to be just $139. From $169 to $139. $139. Okay? So, ano nyo po pag nag-mine kayo with the amount. Okay? If you want this one, mine $139 CD. Mine $139. Or I'll give you another code if you want this for $139. Mine $195. Okay, mine $195. Next. Sandali lang po, hindi ko pa natapos ang pag-share. Okay, dokie. Yes, Ru, mommy is here, Ru. Mommy is here. Come, baby. Why are you crying? Sandali lang po, ladies. Thank you so much po that you're staying with me. Thank you so much po. Okay, I will just share this a little bit po. Konti lang sa ating mga friends. Sana hindi ko po, wala po akong makalimutan, just in case, if you have friends, please share our live lang po. Pakiusap ko lang. Alright. There you go. I hope they would see just in case I miss somebody. Just letting you know that I appreciate you. Hello, Five. How are you? How are you doing? Okay, so super, super duper mura po talaga yung ating mga bags ngayon. So, if anyone is looking for a specific brand, please tell me right away para po may pakita ko sa inyo. So, I've shown you only 5. One of my favorites also is this one, this gorgeous leather. This is Saffiano leather, okay? This is a Saffiano leather of Kate Spade. All right, this is so pretty. Hi, baby. Hi, Ruru. Why are you crying? Do you want to see my do you want to see our friends out there? Okay. Nasa akin po ito eh. Ano siya kanina. Okay, you say hi to them, baby. You say hi to them. Oh, come on up. Pogi yan, oh, pogi. That's my Ruru. Okay. Oh, she was crying because Luna got her bed. Malamig, super lamig po. Naka-heater sila. They have a separate parang portable heater for the babies. Kahit po meron silang heating pad, minsan kapag sobrang lamig, hindi nila kaya at madami sila. Kaya, ayan, okay, Luna got his bed. Okay, it's okay. Nagreklamo. Okay po, to be continued. Alright, so this one, Kate Spade, is also on sale. Grabe, I wasn't, ladies, tingnan natin kung magkano ito ngayon sa Kate Spade. If they still have it, okay? But, I don't want to compare my pricing with them. Medyo bumaba po ako kaysa sa kanila, okay? So, anyway, kaya naman natin magbaba kasi wala naman tayong malaking overhead, di katulad nila po. I need to really get the name of this Kate Spade. This is a parang lime green eh. It's not lime green, but it's like green, super gorgeous green. Okay, hold on. I can't see anything except for the for this. This is a Madison Saffiano leather authentic. Okay, sandali lang po ha. Hi, Ruru. Wala na silang ganitong color. Okay, sandali lang po ha. I'll make sure that I got everything. They don't have this anymore. But in other stores, like, of course, eBay is actually selling it at $149, okay? So, eBay is selling this one at $149. Let me check how much we're going. Halos pareho kami ni eBay okay? So, this one, I am going to actually give this one a go right now for only $120, okay? Versus other stores, okay? So this one for only $120. Sinushoot ko ang presyo, ang ano po presyo sa inyo ngayon, okay? So this one is $120 and it's all leather. Hold on po ha. So if anyone wants this, mine, I'll give you a code. Okay, so for this, mine 110 for $120. Versus po sa nakikita ko now, it's no longer available at Kate Spade store sa outlet. So It's available in other stores. Like, you know, if you would Google, you can see the pricing. And yes, I think we got a good price for this one for only $120. Okay, so if anyone wants this, this is really a very good deal. $120, mine 110. Mine 110 for this. Okay, I will put this here first. Okay, so let's check other items. Let's check other items. I wanted to go to jewelry kasi ang dami pong magagandang sale po ngayon. Okay, hold on po. Actually, some of the jewelries in my part 1, where I only have, I think, 1 or 2 viewers. Okay, so wala na po yung mga viewers natin. I don't know where they are, but I think they are busy. They are doing something else. And because I think, you know, Thanksgiving is coming. They are so busy doing a lot of things, okay? So, but I will still be doing my live selling until Thursday. But next week, because it is a Thanksgiving week, I will just, I'm not promising, but I'm looking at Monday to continue live selling. But just in case I can't have it, I will announce it. So don't you worry. I will give you a final reminder or final notice if I'm going to go on live on Monday. Instead of Tuesday, I'm going to go live earlier. Okay? So ladies, halika na. Dito tayo sa ating mga sale na mga items, especially jewelry. Okay? We're going to have that one. Hold on po, ha? Okay, dokie. Let's start with something new. Hi, Ruru, are you okay there? Actually, yung mga dating $12 ginawa ko pong $5 ngayon kanina. Okay, so for instance po, my waterproof 18K plated that was selling $8 before. I drop it more to $5. So hanggang dun po, because this is waterproof. I'm giving it a special price for this very moment. Okay, kanina 5 ko binigay. For this very moment, I'm giving it for $3. Okay, for $3, and it's not 3 for 10. I'm going to just put it as $3 per jewelry. So you would have choices, you can mix match, okay? So, pinakita ko kanina, pero ipakita ko ulit sa inyo ngayon, alright? And then we will move forward, okay? We will move forward. Because ito na lang po ang natira, I might as well give this one for $5 for everyone who would want, okay? Let's start with this. Okay, if anyone wants this is my green waterproof na 2 clover na drop down siya. Like, ladies, pag nakita nyo po siya, ha, ito. Drop down po siya. This is waterproof. Drop down siya. Like, there's a little clover, and then, pag suot mo, very gorgeous po ito pag sinuot nyo. Ganito po siya. This is how it looks. $3 lang ito. I only have 1 piece. Talagang let's sweep the shelves, okay? Let's sweep the shelves, and then lahat po ito for our Thanksgiving. This is $3 only. $3. So if anyone wants, mine 95 silver. Mine 95 silver for $3 only. Okay, next. And then, if I have a silver, pinakita ko ito kanina pero $5 ko presyo. Ngayon po, ginawa akong $3, okay? Next po. Next. Very gorgeous, grabe. Ang ganda po nito pang gift. Alright. And then, hindi kayo mapapahiya po because this one is waterproof po siya. Okay? Pwede isuot isuot po araw-araw, pero wag naman abusuhin po. Now, if anyone wants the green gold, mine 95 gold. Mine 95 gold for $3 only. Mine 95 gold for $3 only. Next. La 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 la. So, wala pang kumukuha ng $3 sa inyo. Okay, let's do this one. Puro green ang ipapakita ko for $3. This is waterproof then, but this one is stud. Okay, kung gusto nyo ng stud, gusto nyo simply, minimalist. I want minimalist, but this time, the clover has a diamond in the middle. Okay? Tingnan nyo po. This one is different. This one is different. Ayan siya. Okay? So, this one is also $3. This was original for, this was final clearance, $5. Ngayon, $3 na lang. Okay? $3, mine 99 for this. Mine 99 for $3. Okay, next. Ito na ang good time for you to shop mga pang-giveaways ninyo. Tapos, ilagay nyo lang po sa isang magandang Nako, swak na swak, tuwang-tuwa sila. Now, I have also other colors, okay? Other colors for $3, mine 98. Waterproof po ito. Waterproof 18K plated, okay? Mine 98. Next. Another $3 on the way is pink. Okay, konti lang po ang $3 natin na clover po ha. The pink one is actually mine 86. Mine 86 for this for $3. Okay, next tayo. Another gorgeous one. Another gorgeous one. Grabe po ang butterfly. Isa na lang ba ang butterfly? Okay, I still have butterflies po. But they are in set, okay? Meron po dito, ito patanggal na rin natin. Ito, mga sets po ito. Pero you know what? I would appreciate, mas maganda talaga po, mag-set kayo. Okay, kung nagsisale si seller ng ng mga sets na waterproof, mag-set kayo rather than buying one piece, okay? So ladies, okay, I'm so excited kasi $3. Oh my goodness. So magkano na lang? This one is $3. So if anyone wants mine 32. Mine 32 for this. Mine 32 for the butterfly red waterproof 18K for $3. Mine 32. Next po. Another $3 left. Ito na lang po natitira for the white na walang pairs, okay? So this one is also $3. Mine 20. Mine 20 for $3. Next. Okay. Ang susunod na ibibigay ko sa inyo is only $6. Okay? Gawin ko ng 5. Okay? If I have 3, I'm going to give this one $5. Okay? If anyone wants this, mine $5. This is waterproof, ladies. Waterproof 18K, binibigay ko ng $5 for this hour. Okay? Mine $5. Sandali lang po. I'll get the pink one. Ito na lang yata available for $5 today. Na pink. Yung iba po, wala na po. So, if anyone wants for the pink butterfly, this one is really good pang giveaway, pang gift sa mga teachers or sa church, sa lahat po. Because hindi kayo mapapahiya po, waterproof po ito. May nakalagay po na tag ito. Waterproof for $5. Mine for $5 only. Help me clean my shelves, okay? We need to get all of those out of the shelves. Help me, okay? By just mining this one, mine 5 pink set. Mine 5 pink set, okay? And this one, mine 20 for $3. Mine 20 for $3. Helen Guzman, how order? Nasa Pinas po ako. Ay, hi! Sa Sis Helen, how are you po? Marami pa rin po kaming mga taga-Pilipinas na umu-order. We actually ship it via LBC po, LBC pouch. Okay, so lahat po ito yun ay air cargo po kami. Alright? So, mag-order kayo, you can pay via GCash, mag-mine kayo, and then i-multiply lang po natin to sa current market po ng $1 to Philippines, magkano po yun kanilang exchange rate. Ganun lang po, simple lang. So simple lang po mag-mine kayo, and then we will give you my the invoice, bayaran nyo through our GCash because we have a GCash in the Philippines. And then we ship it via air cargo. Ang air cargo po namin is 1 pound pouch. We only charge a certain amount, mababa lang po. Okay, kasi po yung iba po kami po ang sumasagot. It's actually discounted shipping, all right? So if anyone wants this one, this is $3, mine $32. Mine $32 for only $3. Ubusin nyo na po ito. Ito na lang binibigay kong this one. So I've given you the $5. How about the shipping po? Yes, I already mentioned po, we usually ship our item via air cargo using LBC po. Okay? LBC is our shipper going to Philippines. Okay? And then there's a shipping charge. Of course, may shipping charge po. I-message po namin kayo kung magkano po ang shipping charge. But it's only minimal po. Para lang po kayong nandiyan dyan sa Pilipinas. Kasi it is a discounted shipping that we do. Alright? So next, okay. Next na po tayo. $5 din. $5 for this. Okay, waterproof 18K. $5. Mine 18. Ano ba yung mine 51 natin? Mine 51 ba yun, Ria? Okay, I don't have 51 here. Did I mention something like that I forgot again? I only have mine 31 here. Okay. I have here the mine 32. This one is mine 32. Okay. Maybe I put it here. Hold on lang, Ria, ha? Maybe I put it here. I don't have a code that is 51, Ria. Can you help me out? Can you send me? You sent in Messenger. Sandali, ha? Okay, hold on, my dear. Send siya na, ha? Oh, okay. That is a $10. Oh my goodness gracious. That was part 1. Thank you, Ria. Of course, meron pa ako. Pero mukhang naubos na siya. Ito na lang yata. Okay, Ria, this one is yours. Mine, 51. This was $10 only. Okay, hold on. I'll get to you your, mine, 18. Okay, sandali lang po, ha? Yung shipping fee po namin, Sis Helen, it's actually i-utilize po nyo yung space kasi sayang. Kahit isa lang po imay nyo, isang shipping charge po. Kaya we tell our na they need to utilize the 1 pound. Sayang po kasi, okay? So this one is yours, Ria. Okay, Ria. Okay, would you be able to screenshot for me? Thank you. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. Before I confirm your mind, Sis Helen, can you shoot us a message, private message, your complete name, your shipping address? 4 ang hihingin ko po. Complete name, shipping address, email address, and your telephone number or cell number po. Okay? Thank you. Thank you so much. Actually, nilabas ko ito kanina. I still have this. If anyone wants this, maybe, I'm missing a tray. I don't know where I put it. I was telling myself a while back, I think I'm missing a tray. But that one, the white one that Ria just mined, mukhang meron pa po ako if you want that, okay? $10 lang po, grabe. It's supposed to be $15 po. That's the correct price for that. I still have one left. Isa na lang po natitira. $15, but I'm selling it for $10. This is a drop earring, okay? A drop earring for only $10. Oh my goodness. Hi, Sis Riza. Kumusta po? Kumusta na kayo? Ang ganda nito mga sis. Isa na lang natitira. Hindi ko nawala pala. Na-insert ko lang dito po. Okay, so this one is, I only have one, the one that mined by Ria. For this is $15. Mahal po ito. Okay, this is coded and stamped $15, but I'm selling it for $10 tonight. Mine 51. Mine 51 for this. Okay. Next. Okay. So next, once na-confirm na ano niyo po sa akin, naibigay niyo po sa amin yung message na ng information po ninyo, we will confirm your mine po ha. So ang gusto niyang i-mine is 18. This one is only for grabe $5. 18. Mine 18 for $5. Okay? So once I get your information po, we're going to actually confirm. All right? All right. Ilagay ko lang dyan sa tabi, but we cannot confirm until we get your information po, ha? Miss Helen? Hello, 7. Okay, Sis Helen, nakatabi lang ito dito, okay? Alright, next item tayo. Wala pong may gusto nitong $3. Mine 20 for $3. This one is also $5. $5 for this. Mine pink $5. Mine 32 for $3. Mine 32 for $3. Okay. I will put this out of my may paningin. Ayaw nila nito. Okay, so this one is also a $3. Okay, I will be okay, thank you so much. This one is also $3. Waterproof 18K plated. $3. Waterproof 18K plated. Mine 86. Mine 86 for $3. Mine 86 for $3. Next. Okay, I have mine pink. Okay, mine pink si Ate Telma. This is waterproof po, Ate Telma. Okay, this is waterproof. Okay. Kunin nyo na ng marami po habang meron. I still have. Meron pa po akong 3 pang pink. Okay. Mine pink, mine 86. Ito po yung code natin sa pink. Mine 86. Pa-code ako, Ate Telma. Mine 86 po. Okay, si Ate Telma wants to get the $3. Thank you po, Ate Telma. And also Ria, okay? Pa-screenshot po tayo. Okay, pa-screenshot po tayo. Thank you so very much po. Alright, si Sis Helen. Nag-ano na si Sis Helen? Okay po, mine 8. Opo, Sis Helen, kung saan po kayo nag-message, ilagay niyo po yung ibigay niyo po sa akin yung information na kailangan ko po. Yung name po ninyo, yung address ninyo, yung telephone number at email po. 4 po ang kailangan namin for us to actually make an invoice, okay? So, mine 86 din daw, si Ria. Ay, si Ate Malu. Hold on, Ate Malu. Ayoko makalimutan si Ate Malu. Si Ria, tsaka si Ate Malu. Okay. Hold on po. May isa pa pong pink na available. Okay? Kunin nyo na. Ubusin na natin to sa shelf ko po. Okay? Ayan. This is the best time for us to really shop, no? I know. I love shopping na ganito. Alright? Yung bang ipamimigay na lang ng tindahan. Okay, Ria and Ate Malu. Okay. Okay, Ate Malu, pa-screenshot po ako. Pa-screenshot po ako, Ate Malu Agudelo, 123-321-123. And then sis Ria, this one is yours. The 86, Ria, $3, 123-321-123. May isa na lang po, mga ladies na magaganda. Isa na lang po ito. Mine pink pair po. Opo, nabigay ko na po ang mine 86. Gusto niyo pa po bang kumuha ng isa pa? Ate Telma? Meron pa po akong isang 86. I-mine nyo na po. May isa pa. So, ang nakakuha ng 86 si Ria, si Ate Malu, at saka si Ate Telma. Okay? So, meron pa po akong isa. I-mine nyo na po.